Yo guys, what is up? Just a quick disclaimer before the video starts. I know a bunch of crazy stuff is going on in the world right now, and some people might be freaked out, some people might be worried, and some people might be stuck inside their house. So if I could get everyone to drop a positive comment down below and hit that like button, just get some positivity going on this video. I want to keep this like a happy, relatively carefree place. Anyway, that being said, let's get into the video. Oh my goodness, guys, we are back at it again, and it just keeps on getting crazier and crazier and crazier in the city every single day. I was actually able to grab groceries this morning at a grocery store, which was amazing because that's the first time I've been able to do that in the past. This is how busy the grocery store is right now. There are people everywhere. Since yesterday, it has got noticeably more empty. People are noticeably more worried, and it's getting serious out here. I mean, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I'm on Central Park, and it's essentially empty. Usually there would be tons of people here, and today there's almost no one. Just to put this in perspective of how much it has shifted from today and yesterday, I was actually out vlogging yesterday afternoon. We were just on the boosted board as usual, cruising around looking for some of the shoes that released yesterday. Because I mean, there's like 6 pairs of shoes that released yesterday. Let's just go back and see what I was up to. There are so many sneakers that are releasing this morning. I mean, let's do the math. We have the Syracuse Dunks. We have the Kentucky Dunks. We have the Nike SB Dunk Low Safaris. We have the Yeezy Desert Sages. We have, oh yeah, there's that Zoom pair of Jordan 1s too. There's like 1,012,000 shoes releasing this morning. But the thing is, I don't actually know if they're releasing in store. See, the thing is, everyone's really freaked out about the coronavirus. I mean, deservedly so. It's becoming a bigger and bigger deal, and I had heard rumor that some stores were shutting down all in-store releases. I haven't heard confirmation either way, so we're going to be going down to Foot Locker and Nike on 5th Avenue, checking it out and seeing, I mean, hopefully we can get our hands on some of these because there are so many nice pairs. Also, this is incredibly dangerous. Do not vlog around a million taxi cabs. You are going to die. No, I'm good. So you guys remember how we were in Soho the other day and there was some older guy buying up all of the pairs of these and reselling them? Well, funnily enough, he just walked into this store in Times Square and is buying up all of the pairs in this store as well. So I don't know, apparently he's reselling these somewhere. I checked StockX, they don't even go for anything, but these are here. And then I heard someone message me on Instagram that these restocked, Times Square, 42nd Street, Foot Locker. If you guys want to grab some candy cane 14s, they have them here. Unfortunately, no Jordan 1s, and then the Yeezys are first come, first serve at 3 o'clock, so we might have to come back for those. Probably should show up to sneaker stores when they actually open, not 2 hours after they open. But like I said, I didn't even know if they were releasing anything in store. It is confirmed that sneaker releases thankfully have not shut down yet. Next stop, Nike 5th Avenue. This is the emptiest I've ever seen the Nike store in my life. Okay, first I just want to say this is by far the emptiest I've ever seen this store in my life. It is usually packed with tourists and stuff, and it's a Saturday at almost noon, and it's pretty much empty. They don't have the Jordan 1s, but they do have the AirTech Challenge 2 in this black and hot lava colorway. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know if they originally released in a black colorway or just the white colorway. Huh, you guys are gonna have to let me know about that, but I like these. They're only $130, which is a lot cheaper than most shoes these days. I mean, I'm not gonna buy them today, but maybe in the future. This is what 5th Avenue looks like right now. Just to confirm, it's Saturday at 11:26. It's absolutely beautiful. Normally 5th Avenue is packed with tourists and packed with people shopping. It is freaking empty. I still haven't got used to how fast this thing is. The difference between 20 miles an hour and 24 miles an hour is absolutely, it's almost scary riding it this fast. But I love it. I obviously want to try and find some of these sneaker releases that came out today. The Yeezys, we might go back to Foot Locker. But as far as the Dunks that came out, both the Kentucky ones and the Nike SB ones, I think we're gonna have to go to the best spot for the, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. We're going to round 2. Okay, I have good news and I have bad news. Round 2 does have the Dunks. They have them and they look absolutely amazing. Here, in fact, they are. Now, the bad news is that this is a child size 4. I don't know if I could fit this on my big toe, never mind my foot. In all seriousness though, this is an amazing colorway. It's just so simple and it's so nice. And yeah, probably 3-4 years ago, this is something that would have gone on sale at a Nike outlet, and they have no business reselling for $250, $300, however much they cost. But that being said, they still look amazing. That was the majority of what I did yesterday on camera, and putting that in stark contrast with today, Nike officially is closing every single one of their stores in the US, Canada, a bunch of places in Europe. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It feels like this is something out of a movie. This is the Nike store that we were in yesterday looking for the Jordan 1s and looking at the Air Tech Challenge 2s, and it's open today, but after that is closing for a absolute bare minimum of like 11 or 12 days. It's insane. Okay, you know what? Actually, I take that back. They're not letting anyone in the store as of right now. There's people, there's security at the front door, and they're letting, I guess, everyone that's inside finish shopping, and then they're just closed, and no one is getting inside. Wow. If that's what's happening at Nike, it is not going to take long for the rest of the stores to follow suit, like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Adidas. They're going to be right behind and closing down their stores. I mean, it makes sense. You're trying to stop the spread of a virus. But as I said, I still can't wrap my head around this is actually happening, especially in somewhere like New York City. I mean, the city that never sleeps is turning into the city that can't shop because everything is closed. I am actually going to heed other people's advice today. I'm heading back to my apartment. I'm going to stay at home for the majority of the rest of the day because, I mean, we just don't know what to expect. There's rumors that there could be an actual quarantine or lockdown in Manhattan this week, which would be legitimately scary. It is becoming quickly apparent that I'm going to need to get some better lighting in my apartment if I'm going to be stuck in here for any length of time. I don't know, it's just very orange and I want to try and fix that as much as possible. But wow, I apologize for the state of this video. I was originally going to go get the Safari Nike SB Dunks and the Kentucky Dunks from a guy that was going to sell them to me, except no one's leaving their house, and he went to the supermarket this morning and is still there because there's just a line that is so long wherever he went. And it's just, society is shutting down normal operations, and I'm not able to get those shoes today, and I don't know if I'll be able to get them, period. It looks like sneaker stores are closing down. Shopping, clothing, just shutting down. Nothing is going on. I know my friend works at Abercrombie & Fitch or Hollister or a store like that, and they just completely closed their store in New York City. And it's just getting absolutely wild. So I'd encourage you guys to stay as positive as possible, stay as safe as possible. This keeps on getting escalated and escalated and escalated in New York. It's getting more severe and severe and severe. Not necessarily the amount of cases, but the amount of things going into place to prevent the cases, which is obviously good long term. But wow, like compared to even 5 days ago, the severity of what is going on, it is night and day, and it is a weird time to be alive, that is for sure, guys. That being said, I just did want to put at the end of the video, the mystery box is still live. on my website. There are several sizes sold out already. I know large is sold out. I know small is getting very close to sold out. Extra large, very close to sold out. Double XL, very close to sold out. So if you guys haven't grabbed a mystery box yet and want to know all the information about that, it is on the product page and the link in the description, or you guys could go watch yesterday's video and there'll be all the information over there as well. So that being said, guys, stay safe. I'm gonna have to really figure out what I'm gonna do. Getting locked down possibly in New York would be scary, that's for sure. And just in terms of content, I might be switching it up and just showing you what life is like in New York City right now, because personally I think that's a lot more interesting and useful to you guys than me just going sneaker shopping every single day. And it's something I'd feel more passionate about making. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Would you want to see that if New York gets quarantined? What does life in a quarantine look like? What does an empty Manhattan look like? What does life with everyone freaking out right now look like? I don't know, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'm still in a good mood. I'm just sort of thinking out loud. I'm in a good mood though. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. So until then, peace.